How to delete your saved avatars in Roblox. Want to remove old saved avatars in Roblox? Here's the easy step-by-step guide. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Roblox from your browser and then make sure you are signed into your account. Click on your username, which should basically find at the top right or the top left, and that will take you here. And then select Edit Avatar. So from here, you'd find all of the items you can use for your avatar. Select avatars and then select purchase. And here you'll find all of the avatars you've purchased. And then under the creations, you'd find all of the avatar creations that you've bought. So to be able to delete it, click on the settings icon at the top right of that specific avatar. And then from here, you'll find the delete button. So click on it to delete it. And that is how you can easily delete your saved avatars in Roblox.